Hello, assalamu alaikum, and welcome to all of you, my dear students, at the plate of form of Mixed Tutor Academy. Let me share the screen with you. When it will visible, just inform to me. My dear student, today we are going to discuss the topic firms, costs, and revenue and objective. First of all, I will explain the firm and main role of the firms. Then we will discuss different types of cost, then revenue, total revenue, and average revenue. A firm is a business organization that produce goods or provide services to the people to make a profit. A firm is business business organization produces goods and we can say produce goods and provide services to make a profit. Main role of a firms, let me write down here. Combine resources produce goods or services aim to maximize profits. So let's about discuss the second concept, that is costs. Cost means cost is the total amount a firm spends to produce goods or services. Spends goods and services. There can be different types of cost. Can be fixed cost, fixed cost means that stay the same no matter how much is produced. Like the example of fixed cost can be rent or salaries. Even though if the firm is not producing even a single unit, still this cost should be beared by the firm. Let me show you the, let me make a, for example, if I will say output units costs. If there is unit 0, still suppose we are bearing 10, unit 1 and unit 2, it will be constant. Here is the, this one is the example of a fixed cost. You can check that if the level, if the level of output will increase, the cost will remain same. The cost will remain same. So means in a fixed cost, the cost line will be horizontal. So the next one is variable cost. costs which will change with the level of with the level of output. For example, this is output, this is costs. For example, if there will be zero output, then the cost will be zero. If there will be one, suppose the cost is right, 2 is 10, like this. Let me show you. This one is the graph. You can check as the output is increasing. It's variable cost. There is no problem if you can say total variable cost. It's the same meaning. If fixed cost, you can call it total fixed also. No problem at all. But the next one will be total cost. Total cost will be the combination of fixed cost and plus fixed cost plus variable cost. Means total costs by the graph of total cost is you can check it always starts from here, not from this point, because in total cost, the fixed cost is also include. So that's why it will start from the point of fixed cost. So on the other hand, there will be the average cost. For example, there can be fixed average cost also. We can say average fixed cost, average variable cost, total average cost also. Average fixed cost, this is the average of fixed, right? So we will take the total fixed cost divided by units manufactured. If there will be average variable cost, it's a total variable cost divided by units manufactured. If it will be this one, then we can say fixed plus variable divided by units manufactured. We the graph of okay, this one will be the graph of, it will be downstairs like this. When the output will increase, the cost will reduce. But if I will talk about this one, this is all about that. So next we are going to discuss revenue. Revenue is the money is the money a firm earns from selling its goods or services. It can be calculated like this. We can say there are two types of revenue. One is total revenue. The second one is average revenue. Total revenue can be calculated, means the amount earned by the firms by selling out all the units can be calculated like this. Total revenue is equal to price of selling product multiply the quantity sold. And in average revenue, total revenue is divided by total revenue is divided by quantity sold, like this. Total revenue divided by unit sold. Next, one extra information for you. Marginal revenue. You can say extra revenue earned by selling one more unit. There can be some objectives of the firms. The first objective can be profit maximization. That is the main objectives. The second can be sales maximization. Definitely, if the sale will maximize, then the profit will be maximized. Growth, that is also means expansion. Survivals, corporate social responsibilities. Means behaving ethically and helping society. It was all about this topic, my dear student, where I mentions all the definitions here with the help of their diagrams. Thank you very much. Take care. Allah Hafiz.